This isn't magic, it's a real science experiment. Continuously insert pencils into a sealed water-filled bag, and even with many pencils, it won't leak. Cut a paper into a spiral shape, fix it on a stick, place a burning candle below, and the paper spirals like a dragon. Spray sand with a waterproof spray, add a few drops of dye, and put it in water. The sand doesn't dissolve and remains dry when taken out. Prepare 3 cups of different colored water, connect them with a paper towel in the center, and you'll get 3 cups of differently colored water. Soak an egg in white vinegar and wait. The egg becomes transparent and elastic. Pour a little salt into a cup, rub an egg with a battery, and drop it in. Put a fork in water, and it bends instantly. Explaining science 100 times isn't as good as experimenting once with your child. Let them step away from their phones and explore a different world of science.